Publix heist for the week. Yeah, I like to call it a heist because, yep, they paid me. This is $59.12 with the goods. When it's all said and done, I had an overage moneymaker for $18.59. And yes, that total does include tax. So people, please, let's include tax on our coupon boast. You know, it's only accurate. So this is for June 5th to June 12th. Today's June 6th. So I'm going to be trying to do this every week. And so please subscribe to my channel to get these deal and all this information right off. Hopefully I won't miss a week. I missed a week or two last week, just been busy, but I wanted to get this one out to you guys right away. So let me get right into it. Got these are a good one. These are Cabaret Dare by Cabaret crackers. They're on clearance for $1.35 at my store. There's $1 off of one from the extra savings. That'll expire June 18th, so you can do this all the way to June 18th. And then there is $1 off of ibotta rebate, and you can get 4 of them. 5 actually, but my store only had 4 in stock, so I was able to get 4. I think I paid $5.70 for them when I do the math. $5.40, sorry, when I do the math, and getting back get off $4 right away, and then $4 rebate, so that's $8. So you're looking at a $2.60 overage moneymaker on those right there. Next we have these always discreet. They got to be the 30 count pads, so you got to find the 30 count pads for it to qualify for this $2 off coupon from the extra savings. So use 4 of those, or however many you can get. If you can get 6, it makes it even easier. So, but I was able to get 4. And then you can use $5 off of 2. This is a limit of 2, but you can also, there's also a Publix digital coupon, so you can throw that in. And then there is also a well, that was from here. Let me straighten that out. That coupon was from the June PG. Everything is from the June PG, the extra savings, and ibotta rebates. But also there's a stocking spree. So if you spend $50, this will qualify for the stocking spree. I got the links to get your $10 gift card when you spend $50 on these qualifying items, not the crackers, but these. And you know, right here I'm almost up to $50. I can just go to another store and pick up 2 more of these, and boom, I get my $10 off, or $10 gift card coming to me. So also these had an ibotta rebate for another $1 off of each one, so I got $4 more off of those. So this was a total of like $8 plus money maker just for these 4 pads right here. Pantene was also a good one. They're $3.83 is the regular price. These were $5.49 the regular price. These are $3.83 regular price. You got a $4 off of 3 manufacturer coupon from, once again, the June PG. You got $2 off of 2. You're allowed to use 3 of those and 2 of these from the extra savings. So these will be good all the way up until June 12th when that coupon expires. So you can do this one, will be the deal that expires the soonest. So do these, and there's also a $2 off of 2 ibotta rebate, so you can get that. As there's also a $1.50 ibotta bonus, so you get that. That's if you buy over $5 of Pantene, and I bought 6, so you get that. And then there's also a $5 gift card from PG when you spend $20. So I got that. So factor in everything together, it's an $8.59 moneymaker. You can do all the way till June 12th. I was able to get $10 more off because I did it today, and I got $10 off with the gas card here. So this is a dead deal. It expired today, which is Sunday, June 5th. But once again, you know, please subscribe to my channel. You can see I've been paid to shop every single week. I go to the store every single time. I've been doing this, and I've been posting my heists for over 6 months, and every single time I've been paid to shop. So, you know, yeah, you know, I didn't get that much stuff, and you might say, hey, I can't use that shampoo or conditioner. I mean, you probably can if you have hair, so if you don't, then you can't. But you know what, I got a place for all these, or I know people who need them. So hint hint. All right, anyways, that's it. Paid to shop.